Hi guys, welcome back to part 4 of my wig series. In this video, I'm going to show you how I sew down my lace frontal to my dome wig cap. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. So these are some of the tools that I'll be using, as well as a thread, a needle and a scissors. I start off by measuring my dome cap, making sure it's nice and even, and I pull my dome cap down a little bit and secure it with the T-pins. Now when you do this, it stops the wig from being too tight and too small on your head once you've completed the wig. However, in this instance, I pulled it down a little bit too much because the wig was bigger than my head. In future, I will try not to do that. The key is to pull it down a little bit, but not too much. Now I'm measuring my frontal, making sure that it's nice and even, nice and centered, and it's going to be flat on the dome cap because I don't want any lumps or bumps around the edges whilst I'm sewing. Now to begin the sewing process, I start by tacking the frontal down to the dome cap in the center. This is going to act as a guide and a starting point, and it is going to help me to know where to start from. What I will do is go from left to right at the back and then left to right at the side to slowly sew my frontal down and make sure there's no lumps or bumps as I go along. I'm using the blanket stitch method. This is a method that has traditionally been used by many different hairstylists, both professional and unprofessional, because it's an effective way of sewing the wigs and weaves down. I'm using 1 centimeter parting space in between each thread and needle stitch, and this ensures that my wig is nice and flat and the stitches is not too close together, but it's not too far apart either. All you have to do to create a blanket stitch is, as you poke the needle through the frontal and the dome cap, you're going to then pull it up through a loop. So you create a loop with the same thread and pull it up through the loop, and this is a secure way of stitching the frontal down or the sewing hair down to the person's head. So now I'm just remeasuring, making sure that the side of the frontal is nice and flat, and tacking it down with the T-pin so that when I sew, it's nice and flat and it's evenly measured out. So now I'm just showing you the end result. This is what I mean by it being nice and measured and no lumps and bumps. And I go on to do the final stage. So I take it in stages. The left side at the back, the right side at the back, the left side of the frontal, and now the right side of the frontal. And this is the end results, guys. I'm just showing you how nice and flat and even the lace closure is sewn down to my dome cap. And all I'm going to do next is cut away the black mesh on the inside. And I'm showing you that I've pulled down the frontal just a little bit below the dome cap. That's another trick as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next upload. Bye!